Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today we will be cooking chicken stew which has tender chicken smothered in thick savory sauce and vegetables. First of all, we need to marinate our chicken, which consists of 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of pepper. Mix well. So I'm going to let it sit for 2 or maybe 20 minutes to marinate. So into a pan, put in 2 tablespoons of oil and 4 tablespoons of butter. But we're going to do it in 2 batches because the chicken is about 2 kg. So we put in the butter first. Then, of course, we have some oil already inside to prevent the butter from burning. So put in the chicken pieces. The reason why we want to brown the chicken is to give it flavor, remove excessive fat, give a beautiful browned crust, and partially cook the meat. So you're going to fry one side for about 2 minutes. So 2 minutes on each side. Swirl the pan so that every piece of chicken gets to be smothered with the oil. So after approximately 2 minutes, you turn the chicken. Can you see how beautifully brown the individual pieces are? So you're going to fry the other side for also 2 minutes. So after frying 2 minutes on each side, you can take out the chicken pieces and put them aside. So continue frying the second batch. So when all the chicken pieces are fried, then you have a clean wok, put 2 tablespoons of oil in it, break 1 cinnamon spark stick and 2 star anise. Stir fry for about 1 minute until a nice aroma fills the kitchen. Then put in 2 big onions, which I've cut into bite sizes. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Then add in carrots and potatoes, which I've also cut it into bite sizes. Put in the chicken that we have browned just now. The seasonings comprise of 1 chicken stock cube with no additional MSG, 2 teaspoons of dark soya sauce, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Add in 1 liter of plain water. Give it a good stir so that all the ingredients are properly mixed. Cover and stew for 30 minutes over medium heat. So after 30 minutes, oh, hello, where are you? Oh, there you are. Add in tomatoes and green peas. It's so colorful and delicious. So add in the cornstarch slurry. Push the pieces of chicken and vegetables aside so that you can create a space for the cornstarch slurry to mix. Okay, mix well, and it looks very, very delicious. It will definitely be suitable to eat on itself, or you can also eat with a piping hot bowl of rice. Enjoy and happy cooking!